From the highlands of Kintamani, Bali, where nature and culture blend in perfect harmony. Each bean is carefully selected by the skilled hands of Bali's farmer, traditionally processed to deliver a unique coffee flavor from the heart of Bali. Rich in flavor, with a hint of Bali's signature citrus aroma, bringing the warmth of Bali's culture in every sip. Dewata coffee is more than just coffee. It's an experience, bringing the beauty and serenity of Bali to every cup. Discover the exotic taste of Bali in every cup of Dewata coffee. Authentic flavor, extraordinary experience. Dewata coffee. Taste the magic of Bali in every sip.